Mr. Diaz has been collecting Lego pieces. Each day he buys 4 more pieces than the day before. So each day he's going to increase by 4. On the 12th day, he bought 50 pieces. How many did he buy on the first day? So let's go and list the information that they give us. Whenever they say that they bought 4 more each day than the day before, that is going to be your difference. Your difference is going to be 4. That means that you're increasing it by 4 every single day. On the 12th day, he bought 50 Legos pieces. That means that A sub 12 is equal to 50. If you notice, they give us a difference. So therefore, this is going to be an arithmetic sequence. So I'm going to write down my equation. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus your difference multiplied by n minus 1. And I'm plugging the information that I need. Remember, I'm looking for A sub 1. So I don't need to plug that in. I need to plug everything else in there so I can solve for A sub 1. Your difference is positive 4. I'm looking for A sub 1. So therefore, I'm going to use my 50 is my term number, or my term, which is 50. N is my term number, which is the value of n. So I'll be 12 minus 1. And from there I can solve for A sub 1 because A sub 1 is the only variable that's left. And that will tell me my first, how much I collected or Mr. Diaz collected during the first day. 12 minus 1 is 11. So it gives me 50 is equal to A sub 1 plus 44. I'm going to move my 44 to the left because it's negative 44. Negative 44 plus 50, A sub 1 will go to 6. That means that Mr. Diaz collected 6 Lego pieces on the first day. Letter B. Write an equation that determines the number of Lego pieces he buys each day. So we're going to use the same equation, the n term. That will give us that equation. Remember, n term is the same thing as the equation. And the only thing that I need to plug in is the A sub 1, which we already found on step 1, and your difference, which is given to us. A sub n is equal to A sub 1, which is 6, plus your difference, which is positive 4, because it's increasing, n minus 1. Distribute to property, minus 4. Combine like terms. And that is the equation that will determine how many pieces he buys any day. The last question says, how many Lego pieces did he buy on the 80th day? Since we have an equation, we can just plug in an 80 instead of the n, and that will give us the amount that he bought on the 80th day. So we're going to notate it as A sub 80. That means that on the 80th day, it will be 4 times n, which is 80, plus 2. 4 times 8 is 32. I is 0 plus 2. So the A sub 80 is equal to 322. That means that he bought 322 pieces on the 80th day.